Hello, beautiful soul sparklers. Welcome again to my YouTube channel, Soul Sparks with Pallavi. And today I'm back again with the episode number 10 of Unbreak My Heart, a soul series. And this is the final episode of Unbreak My Heart series. And today we are gonna learn a story that is very beautiful and very soul touching, I can say. If you are someone जिन्होंने अपने लाइफ में बहुत डीपली किसी से प्यार किया हो एंड देन यू हैव टू लेट गो ऑफ दैट पर्सन बिकॉज आप उनके साथ में आप वो लाइफ जो एक्सपेक्ट करते हो ना वो नहीं देख पा रहे थे बिकॉज हमारे पास ना हम सबका कुछ ना कुछ नज़रिया होता है हमको सबके कुछ ना कुछ विशेष होते हैं कि हम अपनी लाइफ को एक सर्टन वे में जिएंगे बट हो सकता है कि आप सामने वाले पर्सन से लगाव हो आपको आप फील करते हो उनके लिए बट वो चीज़ें नहीं सोचते हो वो लाइफ को उस तरीके से नहीं देखते हो सो इवन दो यू लव दैट पर्सन बट आपको क्योंकि डिफरेंसेस बहुत हैं तो आपको अपना लाइफ अपने तरीके से बिल्ड करने के लिए छोड़ना पड़ता है उस पर्सन को so if you have ever been in the situation then this book is for you and the story is basically The Light We Lost and it's a story by Jill Santopolo. If I talk about this book, then it has like a 4.1 rating on Goodreads and 4.3 rating on Amazon, and it's one of the international bestseller book, and it is based on the theme of first love, choices, timing, heartbreak, growth, healing, and of course letting go. So let's just dig into the story. This is a story about a beautiful girl and a handsome boy. The girl is Lucy. She is bright, ambitious, and a college student. And Gabe, he's passionate and he's curious about life. He's basically full of life. And the story begin on September 11, 2001. Okay, September 11, 2001 in New York City, of course. So, they met the day when the world was falling apart. And in that moment, they fell in love with each other. Like there was a fire between them. There was always a fire between them. And their connection, it's wild, it's magnetic, it's unreadable. They loved deeply, desperately, and with a lot of intensity. And with a lot of intensity comes instability. So, there was a lot of instability between them. See, Gabriel wants something adventurous for his life. He wanted to chase life. He wanted to become a photojournalist. He wanted to go to the war. He wanted to travel to war zones, and he was basically chasing light in the shadows of the dark. But on the other hand, the girl Lucy, she wanted stability in her life. She wanted something to build. She wanted love, she want to grow, and she want a stable life. She don't want this adventurous life at all. So the differences, because of the differences, they broke up. And then years passed. Lucy moved on. She marries a wonderful guy, Darren, a kind, steady man who provided her the stability Gabe couldn't. She became a wonderful mother. She built her career, and she tells herself she is happy. But Gabe, he didn't like disappear completely. He reappears occasionally through letters, through missed calls, through memory. And he was basically always at the edge of her life. And always the what if like ये हो जाता उसके लाइफ में या उन दोनों ने मिलकर ये डिसीजन ले लिया होता उस समय एक हम बहुत बार जब बैठते हैं तो हम सोचते हैं कि काश अगर हम लोगों ने उस समय ना वो चीज़ ले लिया होता डिसीजन या फिर ये कर लिया होता तो शायद आज कुछ लाइफ और होती तो बस यही सब उसके दिमाग में हमेशा चलते रहता था लाइक लूसी के दिमाग में एंड समहाउ गेब के दिमाग में भी ये सारी चीज़ें चलती रहती थी तभी तो वो रीअपियर होता था उसके लाइफ में until one day and एक दिन न्यूज़ आया that Gabe is gone forever, and at that time उसको like लूसी को ये रियलाइज हुआ कि अब कोई मिस कॉल नहीं आएगा, कोई letters नहीं आएंगे, and just silence is left now. And in the silence, like at that time, Lucy, she was forced to recon with a question she carried for more than a decade now. And she was continuously asking that question to herself. She was saying that what does it mean to love someone so much you can't have in your life? And what does it mean to love someone who are meant not to stay in your life? This was the question she kept asking to herself. So, what are we going to take from the story? There are, I believe, four things we are going to take from the story. First one is that love doesn't always lead to a future. Yes, but that doesn't mean that your love wasn't real. It's just that people have different perception for their own life. And अगर आप अगर आप उस चीज़ को कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ करके आप किसी के साथ में चले भी जाते हो रहने के लिए, तो भी आप ना खुद खुश रहोगे, ना उनको। वो भी अगर उस पर अगर सामने वाला पर्सन भी आपको ऐसे देख रहा है ना कि आप खुश नहीं हो, तो वो भी खुश नहीं हो पाएगा। सो येस, यू कैन लव समवन, बट it's possible that you don't have future together, but that doesn't mean your love wasn't true. Okay. Next, that timing can break even the strongest connection. Yes, sometimes the love is right, but the timing isn't, the moment isn't, and there's no one's fault. It's just how it is. It's just how life goes on. Third point, that letting go doesn't mean forgetting. Of course, you can honor the memory of the person, you can remember them, you can appreciate the moments you spent with that person, and still choose to live your life fully, because you have to move on, you have to live freely for yourself, because that person is nowhere in your life now, but it is still your life, so you have to live it. And the fourth and the most important point, that two truth can coexist. First, that you can love someone and still build a life without them. First. Second, you can carry someone forever and still let them go. Of course, you can just keep the memories. You can know that okay, ये person अब मेरी life में नहीं है, but हम इसको याद रखेंगे हमेशा, and हम उसको याद रखें because I have feelings for that person. I have felt for that person. But this is my life. So I have to build this life for me, even though that person isn't in my life. So this is the story. This is the moral I'm gonna give you through this story, that okay, even though the person doesn't exist in your life, but you have to live your life for yourself. You have to build for yourself, because it's your life. So if you're someone who's watching this video with tears in his or her eyes, because you're holding the echo of the love that didn't stay, then please don't be upset, don't be shamed, don't don't feel like you're foolish. It's okay to remember them, it's okay to feel the hurt, it's okay to feel everything you're feeling. And trust me, you're not broken if you're still remembering that person, and you're not alone in this journey. Everyone goes through this grief, and we all are same. If just we don't say, because that would make us look stupid in front of the other person, but we all go through this thing. But we don't always get a closer. It's true, sometimes we only get growth, sometimes we only get the truth, we sometimes we only get the lessons from the love that is left behind. But let this be your healing, because that person is gone now, but you are still here. You deserve a love that stays, and you deserve a love that makes you feel seen. आप ऐसा लव डिजर्व नहीं करते हो कि जब भी उस पर्सन का कॉल आया आप उससे आर्ग्यूमेंट कर रहे हो, या जब भी आप ऐसे शांति में बैठे हुए तो आपकी उसकी मेमोरीज हॉन्ट कर रही है। नहीं, आप ऐसे लव बिल्कुल डिजर्व नहीं करते हो। आप ऐसे लव डिजर्व करते हो, You deserve a type of love that shows up for you every time. And maybe, just maybe for that, you have to lose the one who couldn't stay, so that you could be with someone strong enough that would welcome the you are, like that would welcome you the way you are, that would someone who will stay in your life. So अगर आप चाह रहे हो कि आपकी लाइफ में कोई ऐसा पर्सन है जो आपकी लाइफ में स्टे करे, तो आपको ऐसे पर्सन को अपने लाइफ से जाने देना होगा who is not ready to stay in your life. And please let this be your healing. Let this love shape you. Let this love help you to grow, help you to heal, and let this be a chapter where you let them go, and let this be a chapter where you are allowing yourself to walk freely forward. With this, let's just wrap the series. I hope you have enjoyed the series, and if you have, thank you so much for watching the video till here, and kindly like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye. Have a wonderful day ahead. Have a wonderful life ahead. Lots and lots of love to you all, and we'll see you. Like, I'll be seeing you in the next series. I'll be bringing that from maybe 20th of July. So till then, bye bye.